Hi, it's Walter Burns from Keller Williams Realty and livingonthehudson.com. Today I'm going to review the Park Hamilton Condominiums in downtown Jersey City. And the Park Hamilton is located at 205 10th Street in downtown Jersey City. It's in the Hamilton Park section of Jersey City, not far from the Newport Path Station. I'll show you here on a map where it's located. So on the right side, we have Manhattan. In the middle, we have the Hudson River. And on the left side is downtown Jersey City, being this area here. The Park Hamilton is located on the north side of downtown Jersey City near Hamilton Park. It was built in the 1980s. It used to be a factory that was purchased by a local developer, and they made additions onto it. So you can kind of see that here in the outside of the building. So you have the lower section was the original factory structure, and then they added on top of the building. I'm just going to spin this around to show you another angle. So the lobby to the building is actually right here on the east side of the building, and there's a concierge. It is an elevator building. And depending on which floor of the building you're on, some units are more of the loft-like with the higher ceilings, what they used to be part of the existing, the old factory. And some of them are more standard height ceilings. That was the addition on top of the building. Also, some of these upper level units do have outdoor space. As you can see here from Google Earth. The building does own this parking lot right next door, which they do offer rental parking to residents. So there is an option to rent parking here if you wanted to have your vehicle. You also are not very far from Hamilton Park. I'm just going to zoom right out. You'll see you're a couple blocks back from Hamilton Park, which has lots of restaurants, shopping, food markets in this area. If you want to get to the PATH train from here, you can walk straight up past Newport Center Mall to get to the Newport Path here. There are some local jitney buses that do run from here, this section, over to Newport Path and back to service the residents in this community. Also, if you wanted to get to Grove Street Path from here, which some people do that, you just go straight down Erie Street or Jersey Avenue, and that could take you over here to Grove Street Path. From a commuting perspective, if you want to drive into New York, it's pretty close to get to the Holland Tunnel from here, because the entrance is only a few blocks away. So you will go up to 12th Street here and go east into the Holland Tunnel. If you want to leave the area and go west into New Jersey towards Newark Airport, it's very easy. All you have to do, you could pick up Route 139 and get off on Route 78 towards New Jersey Turnpike, or you could take the Pulaski Skyway towards Newark, and you can be down the shore, pick up the Garden State Parkway. So it's a pretty convenient location. On my website, livingonthehudson.com, I do profile the building where you can see what's currently for sale, what is sold. You could sign up for listing alerts to be notified when things become available for sale or for rent, as well as see a photo gallery, facts about the building. If you're an owner in the building, I could also provide you with a comparative market analysis for your property. I will link this page down below. If you have any further questions about the Park Hamilton condominiums, you can reach out to me anytime at walter@livingonthehudson.com or at 347-448-3766. Have a great day.